the studio. So today I am continuing on in experimenting with flow mixture that is with house paint, and the base paint that goes on my canvas is going to be a house paint. So I have a variety of colors that I've mixed up: reds, pinks, blues, yellow, beige, purple, light pink. I'm going to just have fun with this, and then I'm going to use a technique where I'm using a blow dryer to blow out my mixtures and see what kind of fun that produces on my canvas. Hopefully we get something that's beautiful, and we'll see what we get. Hey everyone, so we've got our canvas ready. We've got tape on the back, push pins. I have checked to make sure everything is pretty level so my paint's not going to run off the side. So I'm going to use a base of white satin. I'm going to use colors that are mixed with semi-gloss base paint and polyacrylic clear gloss varnish. So the ratio is 3 parts base paint, 1 part clear gloss, and then you mix in your paints according to how dense your paints are to begin with. Now, if you're using a powdered pigment, you're just going to mix that directly with your varnish only. Otherwise, the gloss will go away on your paint pigments. Then after I've covered this and put my color down, I'm going to put a cell activator on top of the colors, and it's going to be 3 parts Floetrol mix, 1 part of whatever color paint. This one's white. I also have a Floetrol cell activator that's black. I might mix in that a little bit too. And we're just going to have fun with this. Bigger canvas, let's see how it goes, all right? So starting off with my paint. Now I've taken the paint out of the gallon can, put it in a gallon jug. It pours out so much easier when I'm ready to do my paintings than if I have to open up a can every time. You know how that is. All right, so you want a nice thick coat of paint on the back because we're doing a blowover technique that's going to use some of that paint to blow the white around on my canvas, and that having a good bit of paint on there really helps that process. All right, so actually I'm going to use my handy dandy tool here just to speed up the process. I don't need it to be on the sides because I can come back to these sides and cover them with this same paint. Blue. Just going to put some dots of darker blue here and there. And I'm going to try to use it up here in the corner. These are just shot glasses, actually. Disposable shot glasses. So that's how little paint you're using. right, that looks like that should be ready. All right, so I have set up my blow dryer so it has a funnel on it. It works so much better than the flat blow dryer nozzle that looks like this. The kind of painting that I'm doing, I'm trying to blow out from the center of each of these dots, so I want it to go straight through the center. You will see some artists actually use a straw or just blow with their own mouths. I'm going to use my blow dryer. With this kind of painting. I'm going to bring you around and show you a close-up of this. I may play with it a little bit. All right, so this is not the final painting, but it is where I'm stopping. I do have some paints and designs coming up through the middle, so I am just intrigued by all of it. I'm not quite sure if I should stretch it or not, but I think I might just leave it alone. But I am just so pleased with this one. All right, thank you for watching, and I will put a photo at the end of the final painting.